Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Franklin token. Now the Franklin token is absolutely exploding today. It's up 547.92% right now. It's doing amazing. It is the top gainer in the past 24 hours according to CoinMarketCap. Ticker symbol is FLY. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Franklin token. So it's sitting at about 1/3 of a penny right now, the price. Like I said, it's up 546.93% today. Web page is tokenfly.co. So this is an Ethereum token. They have the contract address listed on CoinMarketCap if you're looking for it. So you can get this token in a few different ways. It's listed on a bunch of different exchanges like ZT, OpenOcean, KuCoin, Gate. Those are kind of like the lesser exchanges in my opinion, and a lot of them aren't available all over the world. Like I can't even use those in Canada, like KuCoin and Gate I can't use. ZT and OpenOcean are kind of like lesser exchanges, but it does have a couple good exchanges listed on here. MEXC Global and Probit Global. You could use both of those if you like to get this token. I do have an MEXC and Probit Global referral code down there, so either one of those is fine to use, and basically it's the same thing. You would just go through either that MEXC referral code down there or the Probit Global one. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search FLY, and then you would simply just buy the token that way. You might be able to get it off Uniswap, but then you're going to pay, network fees, gas fees, maybe slippage, all that type of stuff. I'm not sure if it doesn't even say Uniswap listed on here, but those would be the best two ways to get this token. It looks like it does a cross-chain token as well. It looks like they have a Block Explorer on here for BNB Smart Chain. They have the Binance Smart Chain address and Ethereum, but it doesn't say, maybe if I click on more markets, those would pop up, but either way, in my opinion, MEXC Global or Probit Global are the best two, and you might be able to get it off PancakeSwap or Uniswap as well. I'll just click on See All Markets just to make sure, see what it has listed here. I'm sure it'll say. Lots of markets though, for sure. No, it doesn't even have those listed on here. But yeah, I mean, you might be able to get it off PancakeSwap or Uniswap if you want to, like I said, but yeah, it's up to you. So Twitter, Medium, Telegrams are listed on CoinMarketCap, GitHub. They have a full white paper listed on here and their webpage, price chart, contract address, all that stuff. So if you go over to tokenfly.co, they have an About section, they have a mind map, they have a GitHub and a full white paper. They have a, it does have PancakeSwap available on their webpage here, but it also lists MEXC on their webpage there as well. And they have a Telegram, Twitter, Medium listed on their webpage. It says the FLY ecosystem, invest in the future you believe in, access vetted investment opportunities in the blockchain industry. So most of the info is going to be on their white paper. Very extensive white paper as well. Very tiny print. If you like tiny print, this is where you'll find it. So it says the FLY token was designed to provide customers with an opportunity of getting discounts and additional benefits from VRM and the ecosystem of VRM. The token should support a company development via involving people into long-term relationships and building a strong society of institutional and retail partners around the company. FLY is an ERC20 token. It's also a BEP20 token. But the company will leave the potential to move a part of the token supply to different blockchain networks in the future, like BEP20. It seems like this is translated just the way it reads. So it talks about VRM. So what is VRM? It's, if I scroll back up here, so there's VRM mining, it says, but that's okay. So the VRM is very famous, it says, on crypto markets. So a lot of market opportunities are regularly introduced to us, asking some involvement and support. See what I mean by translated? It's kind of weird. Focusing on trading as a major area of VRM expertise, we still do not want to miss some of the market opportunities. Thus, VRM will launch VRM Capital Management to invest in crypto-related projects and companies in 2021. So VRM is looking for new valued team members permanently in 2 ways. So they're hiring if you want to go on there. The main VRM's business is trading on crypto markets. So that's what VRM is, and basically the Fly token is the governance token. So considering the whole range of VRM projects, it is logical that VRM issues its own token. Fly is the ERC20 token, which is going to be used to maintain the support of the VRM ecosystem and partners and customers. Customers who hold Fly and pay in get Fly special benefits and discounts within the ecosystem. So that's why they made the token. The token is used for covering fees which are charged by using VRM services and projects. Considering a market situation and coming demand for proper services, we plan to catch up on those opportunities to launch our projects, increase our customer base, and scale up the Fly token usage. This is a particular description where Fly tokens can be used. So they can be used in different parts of this ecosystem, like mining. So it gives you a 5% discount, it says, when you hold 150 Fly tokens. If you hold 1 million Fly tokens, you can get trading venues, liquidity provider, 25% discount on this Black Ocean thing here. So it talks about Black Ocean as well, above the VRM. So lots of stuff going on within this ecosystem here. Retail-oriented businesses, whale stuff, exchange projects, market making, dark pool services, liquidity pool services, all these different incentives here with Quant, Black Ocean, and mining. And so it says there is a total supply of 1.7 billion tokens, and some of them have been burnt, it says, and it's split up basically between customers, institutional investors, and liquidity management. There's an incentive program for advisors and teams. They have the names of the core teams on here, core team members, their job titles, what country they're from, and a little description and history of like where they're from. And yeah, so I mean that's about it, except for what Black Ocean is, and there's a paragraph about that. What is Black Ocean? So introducing Black Ocean. Black Ocean was inspired by traditional markets to fulfill the new opportunities in the crypto market. The main idea of Black Ocean is to provide a proper solution for liquidity provision and order execution within the best market price, while the market depth is sufficient for large orders. The solution is developed in a tight accordance with technical requirements for a trading environment, including hardware infrastructure and high-end matching engine, enabling microsecond latency and unlimited API rate limits. In addition, customers are provided with top-notch and fully licensed custody of safety, storage, and settlement. So those are the things within the ecosystem, basically the VRM, the Black Ocean, the Fly token. Check it all out. Top gainer today on CoinMarketCap, the Fly token. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about Franklin. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.